Today's box break is going to be a box of 89 donruss. This is the Griffey, Smoltz, Randy Johnson, Tom Glavine rookie year. $7 I picked this up for. I think it's a really good retro box, so I'm going to crack it and see what we get. We'll just do a few packs today. I'll just do like 8 packs at a time. There are 36 packs in this box, and I don't know how many cards are per pack. Sorry about this. This is not what I was planning here. Come on. I cracked a few of these boxes back when I was younger, but it has been literally years. So this is 1989? Supposed to be. That doesn't look right. What is? Okay, my bad. So there we go. Yep, that is the right. For some reason I was thinking it was the 88 box. So, whoops. Camera malfunction. So let's pick out 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we'll just do 6 to start. Make the videos a little bit shorter. Stay. Looking for some Griffey, especially. Carlton Fisk, Mark McLemore, Alan Ashby, Todd Worrell, Juan Samuel, Tom Browning, Mark Davis, Andy Vanslick, Craig Lefferts, Ron Gant, Ryan Sandberg, Kevin McReynolds, Harold Reynolds, Blue Jay Rad Smoltz, Juan Behringer. So no rookies. Joe McGreen, Kevin Gross, Nick Asaski, Chris Brown, Bob Walk, Candy Maldonado, Blue Jay, former Blue Jay, Joe Bover, Rick Sutcliffe, Bob Ojeda, Mickey Brantley, one of my favorite Blue Jays of all time, Tony Fernandez, Kent Herbeck, Diamond Kings of Carlton Fisk, Jimmy Key, Kirby Puckett. So no exciting rookies as of yet. Getting some good Hall of Famers. Diamond Kings Kevin Seitzer, Brett Butler, Doug Drabeck, Benito Santiago, Cal Daniels, Mike Schmidt, Billy Hatcher, Vince Coleman, Bob Boone, Ozzie Guillen, Mike Stanley. Well, there you go. Number 1. Nice little hit there. Bryn Smith, Storm Davis, George Brett. Okay. Hopefully that's one of many in this box. I would love it to get doubles or triples or quads even of it. Earl Hershiser, John Candelaria, Mike Greenwell, Alan Trammell, Teddy Higuera, Pete Stanachik, Kevin Seitzer, Checklist, Mike Young, Mike Smithson, Miguel Garcia, Derek Lilliquist, Jay Howell, Alex Madrid. 2 more packs to go. Danny Tartabull, Pete Incaviglia. There's Sandy Alomar Jr. That's a good one. Pete O'Brien, Dave Martinez, Mark McGuire, Charlie Leibrandt, Joe Carter, Mike Scioscia, Claudel Washington, Lee Smith, Robin Yount, Gary Pettis, Kirby Puckett, Dennis Martinez, these packs are kind of tough to open. Thank you, Mitch Williams, for a World Series from the Blue Jays fans. Hubie Brooks, Dave Stewart, Bo Jackson, Scott Bales, John Tudor, Don Slott, Marty Barrett, Rob Deere, Daryl Alexander, Darryl Strawberry, Neil Heaton, Steve Rosenberg, Devon White, Gerald Young. So the two major rookies, is Ken Griffey Jr. and Sandy Alomar Jr. All juniors.